The only thing you truly own in this digital world is your email list. If you're building your business on social media without an email list, you're essentially building a skyscraper on land you don't own, where the landowner can kick you out without notice. Email marketing isn't just a nice-to-have feature. It is the heartbeat of your business and your greatest financial asset. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop being a slave to the post and pray method and start building a 30-day automated profit engine using System.io. We're going to turn your email list into a relentless sales force that works 24/7 to grow your business so you can stop chasing reach and start scaling your income. In this video, I'm going to show you the anatomy of a high-converting email campaign so you know exactly how to structure your 30-day sequence. Then I'm going to walk you through a live demo of building an email campaign in System.io. And finally, I'll show you how to link the entire machine to your sales funnel so that the moment a lead signs up, your business automatically starts selling them without any manual input. In order to create an email campaign, starting here on the System.io dashboard, you'll first need an account. You can sign up for a free-for-life System.io account by clicking the link below in the description. When you sign up through my link, I'm going to send you my $500 bonus content package for free as a massive head start. This includes my 30-day plug-and-play email campaign. This is the exact sequence we're talking about today, already written and ready for you to copy and paste. There is an entire arc to the 30 days to maximize sales and lets you just plug it in and let it go. You'll also get my Get Started checklist, 10 high converting templates, and a list of proven subject lines to get those emails opened. So click the link below and get started. Email marketing just works because it's the only place you have a direct, undistracted conversation with your customer. When you use an all-in-one tool like System.io, that conversation becomes automatic. I have a lot of experience setting up email campaigns in System.io, and what I like most about it is it's easy, clean, and it just works seamlessly. To set up your first email campaign, when you're on your dashboard of System.io after signing up through the link, you'll click on Emails, then Campaigns. I'll click on Create. You can create a short name for your campaign, select your sender email address, and click Save. I've already created a campaign, so I'm just going to click on an existing one I have. Let's say I want to start a new email campaign, create a new email. I'll click up here at Create. I'll give it a name. Here I'm creating the first email in my 30-day email campaign. I'll call this Welcome Aboard, Your First Win Inside. I'm going to select Classic Editor. The reason for doing that is because it's less likely to end up in spam, and it's easier to set up a clean look. I'll click on Save. And now I'm into this first email I've created. In the free bonus content package, one of the items is a 30-day email campaign. I've copied and pasted the first email from that campaign here. Of course, you can change this, use a different campaign. This is just a place to start. Here, I'd paste my actual link to a checklist if this is what I was promising. Of course, you can go through. I have examples of other things you might provide based on your specific business. But I'd replace this text, put in a link, and go from there. So let's say I'm happy with my first email in the email campaign. I can save a draft. I can also save and test, where I email it to myself and make sure it looks good. We'll skip that for now and go straight to Save and Publish. Once you click Save and Publish, this window will pop up. If this is my first email in the campaign, I will just want everything to be where it is automatically, meaning I don't need it to come after anything, and the delay will be 0 days. So as soon as someone signs up through my sales funnel, they will receive this email as their day one email of my email campaign. So now that I'm all finished, I'll click Activate. I'll go ahead and exit out of here, and I'm going to create a second email. I'll click on Create in the top right. For this subject, I'll put the number one mistake 90% of beginners make. Click on Classic Editor, and click on Save. And here's the second email in this mock-up email campaign. Again, I would replace this link with an actual link. You can also just tell your story within the email, but I just want to show you a quick example of how easy it is to start building a campaign that builds one step after another. So let's say that I've modified this. It looks exactly how I want for my second email in the campaign. I'll go ahead and go up to here, click Save and Publish. Now I'm going to select the email I created first, which is this Welcome Aboard email. And now I'm going to select this to 1 day after that, meaning they'll receive the Welcome Aboard email, and then a day later, they'll receive the second email, and click Activate. And I'll go ahead and exit. So once I take a little bit of time and fully build out my email campaign, I need to link it to a sales funnel. So I have other videos where you build a sales funnel here in System.io, but I'm just going to click on one I've made previously. In this sales funnel, I have an opt-in page where people give me their first name and email address, and then it sends them to a thank you page. I'll go ahead and click on the opt-in page, click on Automation Rules, click Add Rule. For the trigger, I want to do funnel step form subscribed, meaning when they go to my opt-in page and enter their email address, this is the trigger event. And then for the action, I will tie this to subscribe to a campaign. And I'll go ahead and click the campaign that we've been working in and click Save Rule. And I'll show you what this looks like. So now that I've created this automation rule, I'll go to my example. I'll go here on my opt-in page, and right now I have a generic link. I'll change it to something like opt-in page, and then I'll copy this link. I'll go here to a new tab and paste it in. And here's where I would test it out. I could put in my own name and an email that I have access to, subscribe to this, and make sure that I'm actually getting that first email in the email campaign, and then on the second day, the second email, and so on and so forth. So once you've tested out an email you have access to and see that the email campaign is working as expected, you're good to start using it with other people. Of course, you can have new people come to the campaign through this sales funnel page here, or you can take existing people on your email list, upload them in System.io, and subscribe them to your campaign. We won't go through this in detail now, but basically you would go up to here where it says CRM, click on Contacts, and there you can manage your contacts and take actions such as assign tags to them or subscribe them to email campaigns. But the magic really happens where you have a process that automatically subscribes someone to an email campaign, like this opt-in page that I've previously created. Most people fail because they get tired of the manual work. With this setup, it's gone. You can focus on creating great content or finding new products while your email campaign is out there building trust, overcoming objections, and closing sales 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you have 2,000 contacts on the free plan and your 30-day email campaign converts even 1% of them into a $250 course or product, that's $5,000 in revenue from a system that costs you $0 to host. This isn't just a good deal, that's a life-changing business model that you continue to grow. The utility of System.io allows you to stop worrying about the tech and start focusing on the success. A successful business isn't built on hope. It's built on systems. If you're ready to stop chasing the algorithm and start building an asset you actually own, you need to set up your own email campaign today. Don't let the overly complex tools out there stop you. System.io has made it simple, fast, and practical. Click the link below, get your free account, and I'll send you that $500 bonus content package for free, including the 30-day email campaign, along with a bunch of other resources to get started. So click the link below and start building a successful email campaign.